Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Cable Bullet, and today I want to show you our new Signature Series post hole covers and how to use them on your cable railing install. These post hole covers are great for short, L-shaped layouts, multiple corners in a small space, non-90 degree turns, or short stair runs. Or if you prefer the look of a 2x2 post instead of a line post, use these to get a uniform look for your project. Before we show you how to install, I wanted to make a note that while they look similar, these are not tensioners. Our Cable Bullet tensioners have the bullet lock technology built into the hardware, while these are hollow on the inside and are used mostly for creating non-tensioning corners, transitions, or decorative additions. Let's begin. Just like any install, you will start by threading in your tensioners at each end of the run. These are the posts that will do the work of tightening the cables. Make sure you have at least one tensioner every 20 feet for each line of cable. Next, cut your rough cable lengths. Give yourself a little extra, as it's better to have too much than too little. The next step is optional, but we recommend putting a drop or two of Bow Shield T9 into the set screw channel to help prevent seizing and keep things moving smoothly during final tensioning. Next, crimp your cable ends and set them into the tensioners using the set screw and Allen wrench we provide. If your run includes stairs, start at the bottom of the stairs when securing your first cable end. This will give you more control as you move upward. Now you're ready to run cable through your posts. Feed it through all your line posts or spacer bars as you go. When you reach a pass-through post, here's how to install the post hole covers. For straight pass-throughs, install a post hole cover into the pre-threaded hole on each side of the post, then run the cable through both sides. For corner pass-throughs, it's a slightly different process. First, slide the first post hole cover onto the cable with the threads facing the post. Then run the cable through the post holes. Next, string on the second post hole cover, again with threads facing the post. Bend the cable into a U, hold both ends in one hand, and use your other hand to thread the post hole cover into each side of the post. Adjust the cable angle as needed to help the post hole cover catch. After you've passed through all your posts, pull the cable taut to make sure you have removed all the slack and cut each cable to its exact length before securing it to your final tensioner. That's it. I'll say it again just in case you missed it earlier, but these are not tensioners, so you'll need tensioners every 20 feet. However, any cable run under 20 feet can use pass-through posts instead of tensioners at two-ways, corners, or stair transitions. That's how to install cable using Signature Series post hole covers. Clean, simple, and built to last. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or call us and talk to one of our cable railing experts. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your dream view.